Alright, so this is just a quick radar detector install. So these suction cup mounts sometimes aren't so good, so if you just lick them and then stick them on, they'll stick on pretty good. So I'm gonna run this through here and up around here just to make it look a little cleaner. Just need a little trim kit tool. Put it underneath one of them, and they pop out pretty quick. So just pull them out, and now I'm gonna run this wire through here and then up out here. Might have to cut these squares a little bit with a Dremel to make it fit nice. So it's convenient if you have tweezers. Let's see if I can. Just pull that out. Pull it through. So you could run in this one if you want, but I have this little sensor here for my lights to change that. So I don't want to take that one out because it's kind of a bitch to get back. So then let's see if these can pop back in without any modification. Doesn't seem like it will. Or at least doesn't want to. Yeah, no, this is they're gonna have to be cut out a little. Just do a little C-notch. We can put the rest down in, but I don't think the corner piece, this one won't go in as well. A little too tight. So we'll cut those out, but anyways, now stick that back up. I got these lamp. Just gonna make a little C-notch, see if we can get. Like that. Alright, let's go toss these back in. Didn't come out too bad. I think the wire should be able to get through, so. Wait, let's see if these go back in. Oh, that clicked nice and tight. Let's see if it. Yeah, there we go. It's nice and clean. And then the other one. See if that goes as nice as the other one did. As well. I'd rather go smaller and then eventually go bigger than initially do a too big a hole. Let's see if it will close with it. There we go. Just like that. So then now, now you have no clutter, no mess. No worries. And then we can put our USB back in. You can actually rotate this so there's not as much strain. There we go. Toss that in. There we go. And now we just need to figure out a way to mount this up there without it falling every 10 seconds. So I'll get to you back on that. Alright, so I put this 3M tape on because this stuff's pretty strong. So we'll stick it up there and see what happens. Alright, so I got stuck up there. Wicked sturdy. If you ever, for some reason, need to take it off, just use a razor blade. It won't damage the glass. And that's pretty much it. So, just 2 little notches, very discreet. I'm gonna get little clips that will hold this wire to here. Get it out of the way a little bit, but that's it. Have a good day.